See, now let's talk about one more concept in rounding off, that is estimating the sums. Sometime they will ask you to estimate the sums, and we need to use rounding off concept in that. So how do we do that? Let's see. For example, the first one is estimate the sum estimate the sum 64 plus 79. Okay, and this is to the nearest tens, right? So let's see. See, we are asked to do this. So 64 plus 79. We know how to convert or how to round off to tens. If any one of you don't know, I would suggest that you watch the videos of rounding off to tens, okay? So that you will understand this better. So this 64 is rounding off to 60 because our target digit is 6 and 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So naturally this will be 60. Similarly, we want to round off to tens. So 79, our target digit is 7 and 9 is 5 to 9. So this will be 80. Okay? And we know the total of 60 plus 80 is 140. So this is your answer. This is the required estimation. This is your required estimation. Now, let's look at the next number. Next sum. Let's say 274 plus 143. You are supposed to estimate the sum to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. So how do we do that? Let's see. 274, we know that we need to round it off nearest 100. So ones, tens, 100. This is our target digit. Immediately after the target digit, this is 7, which is 5 to 9. So naturally, 274 estimated to the nearest 100 to 300. Next number is 143. Again our target digit is 1. Immediately after 1 there is 4, which is again 4 to 0 to 4. So this will be rounding off to 100. And now if you add this, you will get 400. So this is your required estimation. Okay, this is your required estimation. Now, let's say they have given 3 number, 21,397 plus this and plus this. And you are supposed to estimate to nearest 1000. So now how to do this? Let's see. See guys, we know that we need to convert this to nearest 1000. So how do we do this? First, write down this number. Because we want to round it off to nearest 1000, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this is my target digit. Immediately after target digit there is 3. So naturally this will be rounded off to 1000 by 21,000. Similarly, this number 27,807. Again, this is my target digit, after that there is 8. So naturally this is 27, but because here it is 8, it will be 28,000. Then we have 42,505. So this is target digit. Immediately after the target digit there is 5. We know that 5 or more digits. So naturally we will add 1 to 42. So this will be your 43,000. And then if you add these up, all of them, if you add them, you will get 92,000. So this is your required estimation. Right? So this is how you can perform all these sums based on estimating the sums. See, estimating sums means you just have to total them. The procedure is same, but it's just that you have to convert them and then you add them, right? Now let's understand how to do subtraction in estimating. See, it's same thing, but it's just that you will subtract it, okay? So again, we will write 673 and 258. Now, we need to round it off to nearest 100 and then estimate the difference. Difference means subtraction. So, because it is 100, ones, tens, 100, this is our target digit, and 7 is the very next digit. So, because this is 7, so naturally this 6 plus 1 means 7. So, this will be 700. And the same way here, this is our target digit and 5 is our digit very next to the target digit. So, for this our estimation is 300. And because you want to subtract, you will just write down subtraction here and write down the answer. So 400 is your required estimation. So this is how you can do subtraction sums.